Some cakes look super good. I have always wanted a better cake, a cake that stays soft. The small secret bakers use. The one when you slice it, it is super soft. Very well, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Ian. If you find this video helpful, consider hitting the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Where I come from, we don't rush good things. A good meal always takes time. A good story also takes patience. And a good cake, a good cake must greet you softly. I remember cakes that looked beautiful, but when you cut them, they were super dry, like Hamatan wind. Pretty on the outside, disappointing inside. So one day I asked myself, why do bakery cakes stay soft even tomorrow and even the next day? And I learned something. Our mothers say wisdom is not magic. It is knowledge passed quietly. There is a small secret bakers use. In fact, very tiny, very small, but super powerful. It doesn't shout. It works gently, holding moisture, protecting softness, and respecting the cake. That vanilla cake is not in a hurry. You press it and it answers you back. Soft. You slice it and it doesn't fight the knife. Tomorrow, it will still be waiting for you because softness is not lack. Softness is intention. This is not just vanilla cake. This is knowledge passed from baker to baker. The kind recipe that keeps your cake moist, soft, even after 2-3 days. So yummy. I hope you do try your hands on after watching the whole of this video. Follow the instructions and the recipe step by step. And I bet you are going to get a super soft and moist vanilla cake at the end. My name is Yummy. Yes. If you find this video helpful, do not hesitate to like this video, subscribe, and share it to your friends and families. I will see you in my next video. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, do not forget to think yummy. Yes.
In the kitchen, feel the vibe, flavors flow and come alive, mix it up. It's time to shine, cooking magic every time. Yummy cat, oh taste the dream, sizzle stir and let it gleam, sweet or spicy. Every scene, cooking love, you know what I mean. From the heart into the plate, good vibes only, can't be late. Smells so good, it's worth the wait. Yummy.